So here I have created one package called sample program. Under that we have this program1 class. Okay, so to execute this program we first need a main method, right? So this is the main method, and as we know, what is the definition of even number? The number that can be exactly divided by 2 or divisible by 2, we call it as even number. Okay, so that same condition we are going to use here. So let's take first number. Let me use this integer number equals to, let's take 10 for now. Okay, now I'm going to pass a condition. To add condition I have to use if else condition, right? So if this number, we declare this number, right? So this number, if it is divisible by 2 and remainder remains 0, then it will be even number, else it will be odd number. So to, we already passed this condition, but the result we have to print. So for that we have to pass printing statement. Inside this we can add, if condition passed then it will print this is an even number, otherwise it will be odd number. Okay, so if condition fail it will print this statement, odd number. Okay, so as we know the 10 is a even number. Okay, so let's run the program. See, the condition has passed and it gave a result that this is a even number. Okay, now let me change it to odd number. Now this condition will fail because this number is not divisible by 2. So this condition will fail and this condition will pass. It should print this is an odd number. Let me run program. So here you can see it printed this is an odd number. Let's take random number now. Okay, we don't know it is it even or odd. Let's run the program. So it's a odd number. Let's try one more time. It's a even number. So by that way you can differentiate the number whether it is even or odd.